Well, here's the reason I haven't made a documentation of the sun oven for the last couple weeks. This has been our weather, believe it or not, here in Tucson. It rained all last night. My rain buckets are completely full and running over. Everything is soaked. This is very unusual for us here in Tucson. My flag is all cut up. There we go. There's water. Oh, it's got some kind of top blown under there. The wind is blowing extremely hard. There's water even laying out by the street. The street has rivulets running down. That's just from the rain. That's not from a leaky water pipe like it usually is around here. Going over. Let's see what's going on under here. Oh my gosh. Yeah? There's water on the glass, but looks like the interior of the tank is dry. That's silicone held. And of course the temperature is below 50, whatever it is right now. I'm going to leave this down because that's the sky. It is cloudy. Some poor little old birds hanging out in the wet. Guys, you should go into the chicken coop. There's all kinds of food in there. So I won't be trimming my tree these next couple days. It's not good to trim a tree when it's wet. Oh wow, it even blew my thing over. The dogs are all, yay, I'm so glad we're inside where it's dry. But I wanted to show you how much it's... Hi Blackie. Hi old man. Hi Grandpa. Hi Hopi. Your whole yard is wet, isn't it? What happened? It soaked all their pavers. Here's a water pail. This was empty yesterday when they had their dinner. And now it's filled up clear to here, and that's just from rainfall. That's very unusual for Tucson. You gonna eat your food? Eat your food. Good girl. It's a little nippy for them out here. They're not used to this cold weather. They seem perky enough. His hip is hurting him a little bit. Okay, how about that for rain, huh? How about that for rain? Oh, now they're getting frisky. So anyway, Goat Hollow, that's why I didn't report. The weather's been a mess. And the sun oven's not been doing a darn thing. We'll see how it goes for next Sunday.